Welcome! In this updated guide, you'll discover just how easy it is to schedule a message in your Telegram group. Whether you're planning reminders, announcements, or just want to make sure your message lands at the perfect time, Telegram's scheduling feature has you covered. First, open the Telegram app on your mobile device or desktop. Remember, scheduling messages isn't available on the web version, so make sure you're using the official app. Once you're in, navigate to your group chat where you want to send the scheduled message. Now, write out your message in the text box. This could be anything: an important update, a meeting reminder, or even a friendly note to your group members. Take your time to craft exactly what you want to say. Here's where the magic happens. Instead of tapping the send button as you normally would, press and hold it. On most devices, this is the blue arrow icon to the right of your message. Hold it for a moment, and you'll see a menu pop up with a few options. From the menu, select Schedule Message. A calendar and time picker will appear, letting you choose the exact date and time you want your message to be delivered. Set your preferred schedule. Maybe you want the message to go out tomorrow morning, or at a specific time later in the week. Once you've chosen, confirm your selection. That's it. Your message is now scheduled and will be sent automatically at the time you picked. If you want to schedule more messages, just repeat these steps. You can even view, edit, or delete your scheduled messages by tapping the small clock icon that appears in the chat once you've scheduled something. With this simple feature, you can keep your group organized and make sure important information is always shared at just the right moment. Give it a try and see how much more efficient your group communication can be.